Plants have protein, they really, really do. Being vegan is healthy, you know it's true. Plants have protein, they really, really do. So why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? No more excuses for you. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Hello students, welcome to class. Do you know who Vegan Gains is? He's a weightlifter who lives here in Canada. I haven't met him in real life. I'm in the province of Quebec and he is in the province of Ontario. But he is very strong and he does all these workout videos where he shows himself lifting weights, and he is vegan, 100% vegan. That means he never eats any meat, he never drinks any milk from cows, he never eats any eggs, no animal products. And he also has pets that he feeds a vegan diet to. You can see in this video that he made here called My Vegan Cats and Dogs Are Still Alive. So I thought I would show it to you. But before I do, I just want to mention that there's this crazy person on YouTube who calls herself a vegan. Her name is RallyLink14. And she, for some reason, thinks that being vegan means that it's okay to pay somebody to rape, torture, confine, kidnap, and murder innocent animals, and then take those dead bodies and feed them to her dog. Because that's what happens in the meat, dairy, and egg industries. A lot of violence goes on, but she, for some crazy reason, calls herself a vegan, which she is clearly not, and then she proceeds to say that she thinks that she needs to feed these dead bodies to her dog. So we're going to look at this anecdotal example here. This is Vegan Gains with his pets. Of course, many of you know that my dog Bella is also vegan and has been vegan since August 2017. But let's have a look at Vegan Gains at his pets.
Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk about how I feed my pets vegan. A lot of people have told me that all my animals are gonna die. Like my cats and dogs, if I feed them a vegan diet. Well, as you can see, they're not dead yet. This is Finn. So he is turning 5 years old next month. We've had him for almost 5 years. We got him when he was a little puppy, just a few months old. And for that entire time, he has been on a vegan diet. And as you can see, he's very healthy. Wow.
Well, he looks healthy to me. But you know, somebody like RallyLink14 would look at this dog, and in her crazy mindset, she would probably think that he's attached to an intravenous. That's what she would imagine. And that he's vomiting right now, and that he probably has bandages all over the place and is bleeding to death. Like, I don't know what goes on in her head that makes her think that this dog looks unhealthy. This dog looks like any other normal small dog on someone's lap, all wiggly and super excited about life and just normal in every way. That's what I see. You guys write in the comments below. What do you guys think? You crazy people who actually think that dogs and cats cannot be vegan, you write to me what kind of things you see attached to Finn here. Do you see an intravenous? Yeah? Yeah, and do you see bandages all over him? Probably, right? Yeah, I guess you probably see that he's bleeding to death. This dog is clearly half dead. Why do you think that people imagine things that are not there? Why do they imagine that vegan pets are dying when they are not? What's your theory? Now, I know what all you vegans are thinking. The same thing I'm thinking is that they imagine this because they are so guilt-ridden with the fact that they hurt animals that they have to try to point at all vegans to try to find some sort of fault there. The reality is that RallyLink14, deep down, she knows that she should be a real vegan and that she should not be feeding her pets dead animals. She has a dog, and her dog can be 100% healthy on a vegan diet, just like Finn is. So instead of just going ahead and doing that, she's probably herself eating animals on the side. And she says she cares about horses, but who knows? She's probably even eating horses. That's how crazy this woman is. Now let's keep watching Vegan Gains.
Wow, look how healthy this dog is. So he's not dead yet. And this is our big dog, Mai. She was, I think, about 5 months old when we adopted her. She's
Clearly looks so sick, right, guys? All you crazy carnists, you're probably looking at Maya right now and thinking the same thing. My God, she needs life support. Do you see the ventilator that she's on? Is she intubated right now? Do you see that? Yeah? Probably see the arterial line in there, all kinds of things, you know, that you probably see. You probably imagine that in the background there's one of those TV screens with a beep on it, right? That's what you guys see. Wakey, wakey. This dog is healthy.
8 months now. So we've had her for 3 months, and she's been on a vegan diet. She's grown a shit ton ever since we got her. And as you can see, not dead yet, even though she's a big dog. She's a very big, active dog, plays all day, and it's amazing. Even though she's on a vegan diet, she is not dead, as you can see. She is quite healthy.
She does look healthy. Just like my dog Bella looks healthy and is healthy. Vegan dogs can exist and be completely healthy as long as they are getting the right nutrients. They need taurine, they need vitamins and minerals and protein, but that can all come without killing other sentient beings who've never done a single thing wrong, ever. So it's the right thing to do. If you are near a store or you are near somewhere where you can access the internet to order vegan food, why not do it?
Some good ears. Wow. Yeah. And this one really triggers people. So this is my cat Prismo. As you can see, he is a very lovely, sweet kitty.
I see a lovely, sweet kitty, but you know what people like RallyLink14 see. And other people who are animal abusers. People who don't defend animals, people who pay for them to be harmed, they see right now that this cat is half dead. That's what they see. They cannot see clearly. For some reason, something is wrong with their sight. It's bizarre. Look at that cat. She's a normal cat. Seriously, look at that cat. It's a normal cat. Eating vegan cat food. I know what you're thinking, that it does seem crazy at first, but at least allow yourself to see the reality of what's really going on.
So we adopted him when he was only a few weeks old. His mother died. He was a stray cat. And we have had him for over a year now. So he's about a year and 3-4 months old. So almost a year and a half, and he has been on a vegan diet the entire time we've had him, for over a year.
A year. That cat has been on a vegan diet for over a year. Okay, no dead animals in that cat's body. No milk, no eggs, no cheese, no fish. The cat looks alive and fine.
And as you can see, he is not dead. He is quite alive. You're alive, right? Tell everybody that you're alive.
Yes.
Oh my god. He's not saying anything. There must be something wrong. Is it his vegan diet? Or, oh no, wait, no. I don't think cats talk normally. So yeah, I think he's a normal functioning cat. As you can see, he's quite alive and quite fine. He is a big, strong kitty who doesn't want to be here right now. But he's a good cat. And here is our little rabbit chicken. She has been on a vegan diet since we've had her. She's an old bunny. But yeah, even rabbits can be vegan. And this is the vegan food that we feed our puppy, Mai, the big dog. This is Benevo puppy formula, vegan, of course. This is, again, Benevo, and this is suitable for cats and dogs. This is wet food. And this is Benevo Ready Meals. Again, vegan. This is for dogs only. This is just some of the food that we feed our animals, but we've been feeding all of our animals Benevo. They seem to do best on that, but there's a lot of different vegan cat and dog foods. And depending on your animal's preference, they might prefer a different food. They may do better on a different food, but this is just what we found works best for our animals. And if you want your cats or dogs to go vegan and not die, then I would suggest you go check out Vigor. And if you check out the discount code down below.
Exactly. Vigor. It's the same brand that I have in my link below. This is a Montreal-based company. And if you want to order vegan pet food, you can order it from them. Vigor. So Vegan Gains, his cat, his dog, his rabbit, all vegan, and Vegan Gains himself. So if they can all become vegan and not pay for the exploitation of animals, maybe you guys should consider doing that too. What do you think? Yeah. And if you are somebody who's crazy enough to think that those animals were sick, then maybe watch the video again. Just chill out and really think, what is it that's on your own plate or in your own fridge that's making you feel so guilty that you're not seeing clearly? So thank you everybody for being here today. And if you happen to know Rally Link 14, make sure that she sees this, that she understands also that she does not have to keep paying anyone to hurt any animals or her dog. If you have a dog, a cat, a rabbit, and a pig, who is to say that the pig is the one that should always be the one to die? No, don't kill pigs. Don't kill chickens. Don't kill cows. There's no need for it. Be vegan from now on and be a great animal defender. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I suggest that you do so. Press the notification bell and help all of us animal rights defenders get the animals out of hell. Thanks for being here. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's